He's not here for me to blame, so that's my fault. Miles in Gulf Stream, I can hear the south wind moan. The bridges getting lower, shrimp boats coming home. But the old man down in the quarter slowly turned his head, takes a sip from his whiskey bottle, and this is what he said. I was born in the rain on a punctured train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. It does. Man came down from Chicago, he gonna set that lever high. He said, needs to be at least 3 feet higher, it won't make it through the night. But the old man down in the quarter said, don't you listen to that boy. The water be down by the morning, and he'll be back to Illinois. I was born in the rain on a punctured train underneath the Louisiana moon. I don't mind the strain of a hurricane, they come around every June. The high black water, the devil's daughter, she's hard, she's cold, and she's mean. But nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans. Nobody taught her it takes a lot of water to wash away New Orleans.